Harvey. Hey guys.
Buenas.
Buenas guys. Welcome back to our channel.
For those of you who don't know us,
I'm Arthurine.
and I'm Javier.
Where are we? Oh wow, look at those people swimming.
Oh wow.
You can swim in distance.
Yeah.
Where
anyway,
are
we are Whitstable Beach?
Whitstable
Beach.
Whitstable. Sorry, I'm trying to pronounce that right.
Yeah.
It's a weird name, isn't it?
In Kent. Look at the views. Check the views.
Guys, don't forget, we live in the UK. This is how, you know, people want to enjoy the sun. It's not very sunny in the UK, so let's appreciate the weather that we have today.
Yeah, it's
and
amazing.
I got a special guest. Where is she? Who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that? Is that
Kelly.
Who's that? That's my sister. Taller than her. So guys, don't embarrass me. So this is my sister. I'm gonna say younger sister, not my little sister because she's taller than me, and she's 15.
Would you like to say something, Kelly?
Look at the height difference, guys.
Anyway, should we go down there?
You can tell she's shy, guys.
Should we go down there?
Let's go, guys. Harvey's so annoying.
What?
I had to say it to the camera.
Say that again?
You're so annoying.
Thank you.
He's annoying, guys. Just in case they want to hear me as well. He's even looking at us.
Oh, someone's ready?
Well, yeah. Ooh. Guys, I want to give it up to Harvey for preparing the snacks for us. Aww. Aww.
My pleasure.
That's so cute. And then, obviously, we're going to have the famous British fish and chips. You can't not come to the beach and not have the chips, right?
Are we?
Huh? Excuse me? We're having it. We're having it.
Yeah. Do you know?
Kelly, do you want to say something?
Arthurine?
I want to say.
You know that I never.
Do you want to say something?
Oh,
I want to say.
your mum.
Don't push me away.
How be you?
Oh. I thought it was from me.
How can Emily Merchant said, Kelly, are you at the beach?
Harvey's going into the water, freezing.
It's actually not that cold.
Yes, it is.
It's
What
actually
is?
not that cold.
It's freezing.
No. You know what's the worst thing? It hurts.
Yeah, it hurts because it's really like
Hey.
rocky.
What?
Should we follow him, guys?
Right, I go inside.
Oh, it's too cold.
I'm going
It's too cold. He's going inside.
Yeah,
You're going.
I'm going inside.
Okay. Arthur is laughing.
Right. Sorry.
I don't know how he's doing that because I put one foot in there and I was gone.
Ready?
It's too cold. Guys, he's doing it. Don't know how he isn't freezing, but
So cold, man.
it is really cold.
Woo. It's my first time.
It's freezing.
First time going to the water in the UK.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Good.
Really?
Yeah. Fucking cool.
How can I explain it to you? Let me go a bit closer then. Oh! No, this is too cold. I don't know how you're doing that, Harvey.
Huh?
I don't know how you're doing that. It's just too cold.
You just need to.
I mean, I'm putting my feet in it for a bit, so I'm kind of like, you know. So, my feet are getting a bit used to it, so.
It's actually nice inside. You wanna try?
No, oh no way. I'm not today.
Right, I'm gonna go inside one more time.
To you, talk it out. Oh, I'm actually going a bit further, guys.
Huh?
I'm going a bit further in. I'm proud of myself. It's freezing, but
Right. I need a towel. It's heavy a lot.
is it? Yeah, it is really, really rocky. So
Go inside!
This is from Jamaica. In Jamaica, I can easily go inside the water. I feel like I'm sinking, like.
Yeah. And it's not sun.
Literally, I'm sinking in the stones. Guys, it's cold. It's freezing in here.
Oh wow, I can see your skin.
Excuse me. I'm gonna do that again.
There you go, much better. It was really good actually.
What's good?
I don't know, am I saying something?
What happened?
J2O has Snapchat.
Oh yeah. Did you realise you've been filmed? Why am I the only one eating? Why is no one else eating?
I'm gonna have a tiny bit of this salmon, so
Literally.
Yeah.
Like, I don't get it.
I already had my sandwich and banana, and it's good.
It's not enough.
That's actually very healthy, though.
Yes, bitch, yes. Okay,
Right. Arthur, enjoy.
Oh my god. Gosh, she's so annoying, Kelly. Sorry, it's just...
Come on. 3, 2, 1. Hi, Kelly.
No.
So guys, we just left the beach.
Just.
Well,
Just.
okay
We've
then.
been in the car for an hour, but just.
What I meant to say was like we left the beach and then we went to get chips, of course. Fish and chips, like those British people. Like we do.
I got chicken nuggets and chips.
Well, Kelly got chicken nuggets and chips. I got my chips, and Harvey didn't get anything. And the traffic is so bad going back. And like Harvey has work tomorrow, Kelly has school, and me.
You got work, but not
I got work tomorrow, but guys, I start my night shifts tomorrow. Proper night shifts. Should I turn that down? Hey. My proper night shifts, and the traffic is so bad.
And we're coming out of tunnel.
But it's alright. We got 1 more hour left.
That's what he says.
Yeah.
And I look so tired.
You got
I
good
think-
lighting now.
Huh?
You got good lighting
A
now.
little bit better. It's... Oh wow, it's 31 degrees.
Yep. Still.
Bloody hell, mate.
I kind of like slept, half slept. I wasn't like fully asleep. So it was like, you know.
Kelly, your position sleeping was really weird.
Yeah, it was very bad actually. It was like very awkward. It was just like... I don't know.
Leaning forward.
Yeah.
It's like people sleep on the plane.
Oh yeah, how did I find that so comfortable? Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so what was your experience on the beach?
Yeah, it was actually good.
Yeah.
I didn't realise it was a stony beach.
Mm-hmm.
And like walking in the stones and then the stones in the water, it was painful. It was actually quite painful.
It was.
Yeah.
But it was actually good. Whitstable Beach.
Whitstable Beach.
Whitstable Beach. I quite liked it.
Kelly, what do you think?
It hurt my feet, but it was fun. And it was really hot. So
Yeah.
I was like,
Yes.
but it was good.
Right.
Oh, you guys, the first time them meeting my sister. Look at her. Aww. Aww. You're so cute. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so tired.
Should we let your sister say goodbye?
Oh my god, Kelly, do you want to end the vlog? The way she
Yeah.
just said no like that.
Right, come on,
Jesus.
Kelly, you're watching this. Come on, say us something.
Come on.
So guys, thanks for watching. I really hope that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I really don't know why she just did that accent, guys.
I know.
What's this? Are we American now?
Yeah.
Listen to my accent. You wanna try again? Okay. Harvey, you sign out.
Yep. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.